What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Bearman17 coming on the show with a quick little video today. It's gonna be more so of a chill POV right now. I'm headed out. I'm running a few errands. Gotta get a couple things done today. You know, day after Thanksgiving. Got a lot to be thankful for. Hopefully y'all had a good Thanksgiving, all that good stuff. Hopefully y'all had some good food. If you did not have a good Thanksgiving, or whatever you want to call it, hey, just understand, just know that the days, they will get better, bro. They will get better. Every day not gonna be your best day. Every day for damn sure not gonna be your worst day. But one thing that I can tell you, as long as you put in the work, as long as you do things throughout your day that are productive, your day gonna get better, bro. Like right now, I'm sipping on that Ghost. But I'm really headed to the gym right now. I'm really about to go make some damn gains. I went and hit it yesterday. Honestly, I thought I got some pretty decent volume in. But my muscles, they are not sore today. So whether that's a good thing, a bad thing, I'm gonna go back, hit my muscles some more today. I might hit a little bit of legs today. May go very light on the legs. Very light. And then shit, I think we go legs, hit legs again tomorrow. Make sure they sore after tomorrow. Cause y'all know, I mean, I've been telling y'all that I was gonna bring y'all more videos as far as like the workouts, the weightlifting, stuff like that. But I mean, I don't know. I'm really not one to like record in the gym, so I don't be doing that too much. But I mean, if that's something, it ain't nothing to get recorded in the gym. Like, my girl be spotting me anyways. Like, I really don't need it. I mean, I would like a spotter, but I don't really need a spotter. So if y'all want that content, let me know and I'll bring it to y'all. But just understand, like, I be in the gym for real. Nah, but I mean, like, I'm in the gym. You could call me a gym bro, but I ain't gonna say I eat like shit. But I do need to clean my diet up. I'm not gonna lie. Do need to clean my diet up a little bit. But I guess we'll start today. Shit, I haven't had no calories. I said I ain't had no calories, but it's like what, 10 calories in this can of Ghost. That's really it. It's really like my pre-workout. So we're gonna see what that post-workout meal looking like today. I'm thinking, I mean, we still got leftovers from Thanksgiving and shit, so I don't know. I don't really feel like cooking. Probably heat up some leftovers. Probably take it easy on the carbs. Probably won't get no mac and cheese, no mashed potatoes. Probably just do like some damn turkey or something. Some turkey breast, some sliced turkey breast. That should be good as fuck. But yeah, man. Hopefully y'all been having a good week. Again, Thanksgiving was yesterday. Y'all got today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then back to the grind on Monday, unless you working Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which, I mean, if you are working, hey, get that money. Run up that money. If you got debt to pay off, you get it paid off. All that. I love this RT, boy. Damn, I still got them damn baseball bats in my trunk. I meant to get the most out of there, but I didn't. I bought bankroll all blue like I'm with the boys. What kind of music y'all be listening to? I'll be listening to FBL Manny. This shit tough. I did that Amazon trucks. They're fucking Amazon factory over here or some shit. Fuck. I think it is, honestly. I think it's right over here somewhere. But yeah. Thumbnail ugly. Motherfuckers cannot drive at all. It is me doing that. But no, motherfuckers cannot drive at all. Like that white truck, I could have got over. But I was like, damn, I ain't gonna do them dirty like that. But the car that was a few cars in front of me, I don't give a damn. I'm doing his ass dirty. It's crazy. I don't know why they gotta do that to the mans, but and Chevy Impala. My big brother used to have an Impala. It look like they ride an Uber or something. I don't know. I think they want to hear this bit. Hop out Bankroll all blues like I went to Boise. I know, cause they got the blue football field. Hop out Bankroll all blue football. Like I went to Boise. That's the FBL man. I don't know. Y'all be listening to FBL Manny? This shit tough. You like an Atlanta-based rapper shit. I'll be listening to him. Driving my cat, listening to cat music, the only way to do it. All right, come on, light. If we could all get through this light, boy, that would be, Nah, fuck, we gonna see. I'm gonna probably start recording either way once I get through this light, but yeah, finna go hit the gym. Y'all see what we on. Y'all see what we doing. About to get my mind right. Turn these tunes on, and then we're gonna be at it. I will see y'all after the workout. After I mark my muscles. But yeah. I'll see y'all in a little bit.